Hello, here's our music control car LED street light. Let's open the package. Inside the package, there is a IR remote controller. You can control 8 kinds of static color and 4 kinds of dynamic effects. And here is 4 voice or music control mode. And these 2 keys can control the dynamic effect speed. And here is power on and power off. This is the IR control box. And here's the IR signal receiver. There is a car charger here. And the last 4 pieces street light. It's very soft and flexible. And on the back there is a adhesive tape. Very easy to use. So next, I will show the connected way. Here, first connect the light to this controller box. Here. The arrows must be on the same side. Let's connect this. See, very simple. Generally, the lights are installed under the car seat or the bottom of center console. It can be also installed in many other places if you like, not only in the car. Now, let's see the lighting effect. Turn on. 8 kinds of static colors. Here's dynamic effects. The speed is adjustable. Next is the sensitive voice control or music control effects. Now we turn on the car stereo.